Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an exciting trip from Puerto Princesa to El Nido. Let's go explore one of the most beautiful places here in Palawan. Tara! So from Puerto Princesa, magbaban kami papuntang El Nido. Medyo long ride to, around 6 to 7 hours depende sa traffic at weather. May option kayo mag-van, mag-bus, or mag-rent ang private car. Kami, we chose shared van, mas budget-friendly kasi, around 600 to 700 pesos per person. Woo! Finally, andito na tayo sa El Nido. Grabe, long ride pero worth it. Ang ganda ng vibes dito, super laid back, tapos ang daming backpackers and travelers. Okay guys, kakaboard lang namin ng boat and we're ready to go. Medyo gloomy lang ang weather today. Actually, perfect na din to for island hopping para iwas sunburn. Quick tip, magdala kayo ng dry bag, waterproof phone case, and sunblock.
Hello, good morning!
Good morning! First stop, Big Lagoon. As in wow, grabe ang ganda, crystal clear water. Sobrang breathtaking yung limestone cliffs. Literal na parang nasa postcard ka. May kayak rental din dito. So if you want to explore inside, go for it.
Wow! Nice!
Just look at that view guys. Super ma-amaze ka talaga. Mas maganda mag-rent ka ng kayak para ma-explore mo yung loob. Worth it sobra kasi sobrang serene at ang linis ng tubig. Honestly, this is one of the best peaceful experience I've had in El Nido. No filters needed at ang ganda talaga. Big Lagoon is part of Tour A and ito yung highlight for a reason. If ever pupunta kayo sa El Nido, don't skip this one. Sulit na sulit guys.
Ito yung tour guide ko, but walang... Ay, kadipunggik.
Lunchtime, ito na guys, may grilled fish, ensalada chicken, shrimp, and of course, fresh fruits. Super sarap after swimming. Grabe, this is life, island vibes to the max. Next, Secret Lagoon. Medyo adventure mode dito kasi kailangan mong pumasok sa maliit na butas sa limestone wall. Parang hidden world sa loob, surrounded by high cliffs at super tahimik sa loob, literal na secret. Next up, 7 Commandos Beach. Ang relaxing dito, white sand, coconut trees, and perfect place to chill. May valuable net pa at coconut stand kung gusto mo ng fresh buko. Kung gusto mo naman ng beach bum moment, ito na yon. At may swing din dito kaya hindi namin dapat palagpasin ito. Last stop, Payong Beach. Ang ganda ng tubig dito, sobrang linaw. Guys, tignan nyo to, as in ang daming isda. May yellow, blue, stripe, parang nasa aquarium ka pero in real life. Kung may underwater cam kayo like GoPro, i-ready nyo na ngayon, worth it every shot. Quick tip, snorkeling gear usually included sa tour. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas malinis, much better magdala ka ng sarili mo. And that's a wrap for El Nido Tour A. Grabe, this is definitely a must-do kapag nasa Palawan ka. From the Big Lagoon to the relaxing at 7 Commandos, sobrang worth it. And this is the perfect way to end the tour. Nature, friends, and good vibes lang. Bye-bye!